Punja Papaji, a famous disciple of Raman Maharshi and guru of famous spiritual master Muji. You can see Muji sitting behind Punja Papaji and asking question. And he used to say, Muji, that I was enlightened, after listening Punja Papaji. So Punja Papaji once spoke about J. Krishnamurti. He even mentioned UG Krishnamurti. There is another Krishnamurti, but here especially the video about J. Krishnamurti. So Punja Babaji said, I listened J. Krishnamurti. I listened when he was in, Switzerland, Sanen, and I have, met J. Krishnamurti even. Punja Babaji said one disciple came and said, you speak just like J. Krishnamurti speak. Punja Babaji said, yes, I agree. But there is one difference. J. Krishnamurti is also talking about emptiness or nothingness. But J. Krishnamurti teaching says, there is a vessel and there is a water in the vessel. J. Krishnamurti said, empty this vessel completely. But I am telling you, even break this vessel too. This is the major difference. J. Krishnamurti is telling you right thing, that and all the psychological things, all the psychological knowledge, all the known content, and completely empty the vessel. But I am telling you, why even you have to put the vessel, even break the vessel. So this is most direct teaching. Punja Babaji said that you don't have to carry that vessel, break that vessel. That vessel is mind. You can empty mind, but still there is a mind. So it's better to remove, to end the mind too. So that's what Punja Babaji said about J. Krishnamurti. That he listened so many talks of J. Krishnamurti, and he even talked about choiceless awareness. Punja Babaji admired J. Krishnamurti for choiceless awareness. He even talked about choiceless awareness. But the one thing that remained, you don't have to, you empty the mind, but mind is still there. You have to completely remove the mind. And he also gave example of the, Buddha's teaching, that Buddha is also telling about Shunya. And Vedanta is also telling about Shunya, Advaita Vedanta. But there is a major difference. Again the same thing. That Buddha Shunya is all about emptying the vessel. But Vedanta Shunya is all about don't even carry the vessel, break that vessel, end that vessel, so that nothing remains. Absolutely, silence. There is nothing. There is no one. There is totally emptiness. There is no becoming, no going, no coming, just here and now. But yes, Punja Babaji is telling right thing, but this is very direct. J. Krishnamurti is teaching you, clearing your concepts, but this is very direct teaching of Punja Babaji. That's why so many people don't listen to Punja Babaji, because it's most direct. But J. Krishnamurti is bringing to you very slowly and teaching you step by step, telling you to remove the conditioning by clearing your basic concepts, how to observe, how to watch. But Punja Babaji is telling you don't have to watch, don't have to observe, don't have to think. It's all the trick of the mind. You don't have to do anything. You just be nothing. Don't think, don't make any kind of effort. Just be in a pure silence. and you are already free, you are already enlightened. So this is all about. If you want to clear your basic concepts of meditation, spirituality, I have 24 videos meditation course. In this course, I am clearing your concepts of, what is meditation, what is truth, who am I, present moment, awareness, observation, how to witness fear, suffering, attachment, relationship, and a guided meditation video. You can join this course. My WhatsApp number 9773529489. I'm giving this WhatsApp number in my description too. From there you can join this course. Thank you very much.